Welcome to Clam and Shine with Rashmi Bedi. My guest today is versatile actress, beauty with grace, Kinjal Rajpriya.
મારા ઘરનો કોઈ પણ પ્રસંગ હોય ને તો તમે મને એકવાર તો રડાવો જ છો. તું તારા ઘરવાળા સામે બોલી જ નથી શકતો. તું તારી વહુની સામે બોલી નથી શકતો.
લગ્નના 7 ફેરા પતે કે પતિની જીભ જ કાપી નાખવી જોઈએ, બીકોઝ એમ તો કહેવાય કે જીભ નથી એટલે નથી બોલી શકતો. તો હું તને શ્રાપ આપી દઈશ. ઘર બહાર લઈને બેઠા હોય અને શ્રાપની બીક ના બતાવો. આ ધોતિયું છોડીને જીન્સ પહેરો એટલે ખબર પડે કેટલા વિશે શું થાય છે.
Hi Kinjal, how are you?
Hello, Namaskar. Hi, Rashmi. How are you? I'm good.
Actually, I should tell you came cho.
I am super majama.
That's awesome, awesome. So, आपकी जो movie is going awesome. Like it's great. I love that movie. इसमें आपका तुषार के साथ जो आपका role है, you're looking lovely in that. It's a lovely movie and everybody is enjoying it actually. So, आपको क्या लग रहा था when you started that movie that it's going to be a super duper hit?
We were hopeful for the same, but but then yes, there was a very strong that inner force that drove us through the journey, because the concept of the film was, it's an autobiography of a married man.
Wow.
Okay, so that
Wow,
kind
I
of a
love
concept has never really happened and been experimented in the cinemas earlier. So
Yeah.
we were very much hopeful that with this kind of a concept we are going to reach out to a lot of mass, and because the married couples might be relatable to the story.
That is so true. That's the reason it's going so well.
Oh yes, it is.
Fantastic. So your movies are so like I've seen कि आपका different roles है जो आपने अब तक play करे हैं, and it's a beautiful journey और आपने बहुत in a short span of time you have really, your graph is going beautifully, like higher and higher I should say. So we
Thank you.
would
Thank you
really
so
like to
much.
know Kinjal कि आपने कैसे start किया आपकी journey, because I've heard कि आपने theatre भी किया and I feel कि उसी वजह से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फिनिशिंग है और आपकी एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी है मे बी उस वजह से. सो प्लीज शेयर योर जर्नी विद आवर व्यूअर्स कि आपने कैसे शुरू किया, लाइक इस तरफ कैसे आए इस लाइन में.
Okay. Ever since my childhood, I was very much inclined towards arts and stage. I have learned Kathak for almost quite a long time, 9 years, and I've done a lot of stage shows in my school, a lot of competitions that I've enrolled. तो आई थिंक ये जर्नी की वजह से आई डिड नॉट एवर हैव द स्टेज फ्राइट. सो क्योंकि बचपन से आई वाज वेरी मच acquainted with the stage and theater and everything. But my parents always insisted to complete the graduation and then probably pursue what I wanted.
That's good.
And I exactly followed that. So during my college, I was like, I got closer to theater, because the maturity grows when you are in college rather than
Of
school.
course, of
So
course.
that time I understood the art of theater. I really started having a strong inclination towards it. But then I wanted to keep my promise up to with my parents that okay, I'll finish the graduation first,
हाँ nice. I
and then
love this thing
probably.
that हमारे जो आर्टिस्ट हैं they are giving 100% importance to education कि पढ़ना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड
Very
लाइक थिंग फॉर अवर यूथ, अपकमिंग यूथ जो अपना एक्टिंग में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं कि पढ़ाई करनी भी कितनी ज़रूरी है. इफ किंजल कैन डू, व्हाई कैंट यू?
Yes, absolutely. Because and of course, any kind of education, graduation is just a step to, or you can say just a stage where you say that, okay, that's a level of education that helps you groom yourself as a professional in the industry.
Of
So,
course.
but any kind of education, even if you are into like arts or theaters since college or school, and if your school enables you to pursue that, go ahead with that. But then education overall is very important. And then, yes, as I said, coming back to the story, after my graduation, I I got a film opportunity, and that first film was Rough Book. I was
Okay.
basically working in Mumbai, and so I was into completely different profession earlier. I mean, and that didn't last for a long time because I was just doing a job because I wanted an exposure after my graduation was done.
Right.
And meanwhile, through some friends, I was recommended to a film called Rough Book. So now this Rough Book was a Hindi subjective film, and for all the viewers out there, if you want to see it, it's based on the educational system in India,
Right.
and that is available on Amazon Prime. If any of you would be interested.
Of course, we would
So
love
yeah,
to
I did
watch
a
it.
small. Thank you. So yes, after that film, I think I got back to Ahmedabad for a while,
Mhm.
and very surprisingly, I still somewhere down the line had a kind of wish that I might want to come to US to pursue my studies further for my master's degree.
Wow.
But but in between that rough book and the master's preps, I got an offer from a film called Chillo Divas, which was my first blockbuster hit and first Gujarati film as well. So I guess when Chilo Divas happened, when we finished the shoot, so my dad really sat me down that what do you really want to do? I mean,
Oh, really?
it's now going to be one from this or that. You can't have both the things.
Of course. It takes a lot
So
of time.
yes,
Both of the thing is lot of time commitment, I'll say. मूवीज लेके
yes,
आओ या
yes,
पढ़ना
true.
भी है टाइम तो देना ही पड़ेगा ऑफ कोर्स यस सो ट्रू
Exactly. And I thought to myself that just in case if I do not opt my master's studies, I think that's not something huge that I'm going to regret. But if I say no to films, which already I have an opportunity right now,
या
I might regret it for the entire life. And that's how I came down to deciding that no, this is what I want to do. And maybe all the efforts and the risk, worked out well for me, and in like couple of months my film got released, and then it was a big hit and a big blockbuster, and it was like overnight popularity, and the film became so much popular with all the youngsters, not only limited to Gujarat but even across pan India, and also all the Gujaratis living abroad outside India. So it was well acclaimed globally as far as Gujaratis were concerned, and a lot of Hindi people. So a lot of people who didn't know Gujarati, saw this film because their Gujarati friends
या
at work or some places, they recommended this film so much. So yes, it was a crazy
एंड
journey
बट
onward,
दैट इज
and
सो
then.
अमेजिंग दैट द फर्स्ट मूवी छेलो दिवस जिसका हिंदी रीमेक बना है दैट इज
Ji,
अमेजिंग
ji,
लाइक
ji,
दैट द
ji.
फर्स्ट मूवी एवर दैट्स ग्रेट एक्चुअली
Yes. Yeah, that is really great, and
या
the only reason that we could we could take the courage of making it in Hindi was the love that we were getting across so many people, and all the Gujaratis out there, वो word of mouth से भी इतनी ज़्यादा popular हो गई, people genuine, like after a long time it was a very flip side of Gujarati cinema. It took a new turn and a very beautiful turn. So
वाओ
yes,
नाइस
that's how Days of the Free happened, and I was really obliged and lucky to
और
be a
आप
part of
दोनों
it.
मूवीज में हो आप दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट
Oh yes. Though we had to audition for both of them, but luckily, the yeah, I think it just worked out well in my case, and
हाँ
yeah.
नाइस इट्स अ लवली लवली थिंग हैपनिंग विद यू और आपकी सारी मूवीज ही बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है एंड दैट सूथयो एंड ऑल ऑफ देम लाइक शॉर्ट सर्किट राइट एंड दे ऑल आर
Thank you.
अमेजिंग
Yeah.
मूवी ऑफ योर्स और मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि जो आपकी मूवीज है आप कैसे अपनी स्क्रिप्ट पिक करते हैं जैसे what make you feel that yes this is the right thing I should pick this script and this will be good
Okay, I'm going to be very candid on this one because what happened was after Chillo Divas, I played a glamorous eye candy kind of a character in
Yeah.
the film Chillo Divas,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, there were a lot of Gujarati films. A lot of people were inspired to now make Gujarati films.
Okay.
So I had to almost reject 11 to 14 scripts as long as I remember because I was offered the same kind of characters and no harm in it, but then I wanted to explore all the kind of characters as much as I could. So
That's it.
I think to break the stereotype, I was waiting for something and some character which was very different from what I've already played.
Yeah.
And back then, there was this trend in Gujarati films that all the Gujarati films, they were focusing on the college drama or on the
Yeah.
college story. And I
Mm-hmm.
was really, as an industry, all of us were waiting for new concepts and new
Perfect.
scripts to
Yeah.
flow in.
Mm-hmm.
So that has been my level ground to for picking up any of the scripts. So story, the content of the film and the characters create a lot of importance while choosing for me. So yes, and as you mentioned, Shoo Thayu happened almost after say 3 years of Chillo Divas, and when it happened, with the announcement, the people went so crazy. They went so they were so excited to see the whole team getting back together.
Wow.
And of course, it was not a sequel of Cello Divas, but then yes, we almost were the same team together again.
Wow, that's so
And
exciting. इतना मजा आया होगा आपको, right?
yes, yes. And I think Shutayu is one of the films that I've enjoyed the most during the promotions because promotions are very hectic for
Of course.
actors because, you have to keep doing the same thing and you have a continuous travel of almost 20 to 30 days but different cities doing the same thing all the time. Only the team and the love we got made it like so exciting that we were never, enough of it. We just wanted that the promotions should never end.
Wow, that's so cute. But I see that Kinjal, you really enjoy your work. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, right? You love it. You love to
Yes,
act,
yes,
you
yes.
love to come on screen. You really enjoy this, right?
Yes, and I believe that we all should. If given a chance, if given those resources, we all should, try and take a risk of doing what we are really passionate about. Because it's very important to fall in love with what you are doing, to love your work. So yeah, I think that's very key ingredient that one needs to
No,
be
you are a
successful or to
risk
do
taker.
good.
That's what I feel, and that is making
Yes.
you having so many success movies. That's great actually. Because unless and until you give a try, you don't know what the results are going to be. Of course, yes. So, tell me one thing. Like, you have been giving so many hits, and of course, people love you so much. So, of course, कैसा लगता है when you go outside? पहले जब आप नहीं थे, when you were working like जॉब पे जाते थे तब तक लाइफस्टाइल वाज डिफरेंट नाउ इट्स टोटली डिफरेंट नाउ यू आर अ सेलिब्रिटी सो हाउ यू फील अबाउट इट कैसे लगता है जब आप बाहर जाते हैं व्हेन यू मीट योर फैंस या हाउ व्हाट फील इट गिव्स यू
Very honestly, I feel very blessed and I feel very very lucky to be living what I do now and what I used to then because it's like when you have seen two sides of a coin, you can always be at the neutral state of mind because there was a point of time when I remember my local journeys, traveling from one station to another station in Mumbai, a crowded place like Mumbai, and almost 2 hours back and forth, so 4 hours every day ka journey used to happen when I used to do a job there, and so all of the people who are with us and who don't know it, I have done biotechnology as my graduation. So I was pretty much of a nerd back in school. So yes, So I used to, like, always think when I used to watch the award nights on every 31st of December,
Okay.
New Year's Eve mein India mein there is this New Year ka evening, and you have all the what do you say, award nights. Every time, I see my favorite actors and my favorite film stars and people performing there. I always used to, I had a dream,
Yeah.
that someday, I'll try if I can make it up to there. So, and I know what a fan moment is as well, because I've had lots of, popular faces that I'm in love with even today. So, looking on that side and coming on to another side where there are people running for you. So, a small instance I would like to
Sure,
share
would
that
love to.
uh, yes, so in Ahmedabad, the city that I live in, we have a kitli culture over here.
Okay.
So by kitli culture, I mean कि चाय की टपरी होती है यहाँ पे,
Okay.
जहाँ पे all the youngsters gang up, and then they probably would sit and chill. So that's basically the regular hangout, very popular regular hangout joint. So I also, like everybody, used to hang out a lot on this chai ka tapri
Okay.
every day, and so and there is a PVR cinema right near to my house,
Okay.
and वो PVR cinema के सामने there is a chai ka tapri where I almost every day used to go and have chai with my friends. Okay,
Yeah.
so now this Chillo Divas released, and every day, sitting on that tapri, we used to sing that. Oh my God, my friends used to say, "Kinjal, teri film ka hoarding laga hai." So that was
Wow.
such a dream come true moment for me, and I was just enjoying up till the seventh day of the release to the
Yeah.
release of the film, when where it was like, yeah, 7 days se meri film chal rahi hai, and now I suddenly witnessed a rush of people, all the fans, like, running towards me. My friends had to cordon me and put me in the car,
Oh
and we
my
had to leave.
God.
So this was a transition that, that
Wow.
I cannot ever, forget, and
I feel
I'm
so.
just grateful
Yeah. I,
for all the love that I've got, and I just hope that I always I always pray for that I always stay grounded, and I can always give back the same kind of love in every which way I can. So
I can
that's all
see on
about
your
the
face. You're a
journey.
very simple person. I'm very grounded. And hats off to your parents that
I
they have
try.
raised you in such a nice manner. It's so nice. And you have got
Yes.
this award, Glory of Gujarat. So I would really like to know
Mhm.
about that also. And we are proud that you got that.
Thank you. So that happened in 2019. That is last year, and so Gujarat government, every year they felicitate some 15 to 20 people, I guess, who have contributed to the good things about being a Gujarati, as a Gujarati, to the world around. So they have entitled this award as Glory of Gujarat. So
Wow.
something that our state is proud of as an artist in us. So I think that was again, a very very big achievement for me, because it's when you get a credential from the governing bodies of the place or the city or the state you live in, that if they give a what do you say, a level of appreciation, they gave their share of noticing it. It's just an honor to to be there recognized, and
That is
it
so
just pushes you and motivates you to do better
better
ahead.
and better. Of
So yeah,
course,
that was
yes. Of
a
course,
glorious
yes.
moment.
Appreciation
Yes.
always matters a lot. At any age group you are, of course, yes. So on 30th of April, one more thing is happened. I would like you to share that with our viewers. You were telling me
Yes.
about that, yeah.
Okay, yes, yes, yes. So, because of all the love that almost all the people across who watched Game Show this year have given us, so we thought of, putting the film into submitting our film in a film festival called Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival, which happens in India since almost last 11 years.
Yeah.
So we submitted our film there. It got an official selection, and we were like, yay! And eventually, on 30th of April, they awarded us as a special mention Gujarati film,
Wow.
and so I guess
Great.
we I Yes, no matter how hard we try, we still cannot forget the pandemic around in the world. And it's like, really saddening every time you switch on to the news or you hear or you talk to people. So I think amidst the entire journey, the only thing that has made me happy during the lockdown has definitely been Kemcho, with the achievements
Uh,
and with the awards it keeps embarking upon. So yeah, it's been really, really good. I mean,
of
I don't know how to thank.
You are a very positive person that I can see on your face too. Maintain your
You're a good
positivity.
reader.
Yeah, you keep on wearing your beautiful smile. You look very gorgeous. So, आपके upcoming projects
Thank you.
क्या है किंजल और अभी?
So we are coming up with the same team of Kemcho. We are coming up with another family drama, and it's not a sequel because a lot of people, they wonder, "Acha, same team aa rahi hai, abhi ye
Yeah, of
sequel hai."
course.
So let me clear it out. It's not a sequel. अभी हमने जब we've already spoken about, the what do you say? An autobiography of a married man. We have tried putting some more light on a halat of, a married woman as well. So
Okay.
that's, I think, oh my God, I've said too much. But that's, yeah, so that's again, the very exciting project that we are coming up with. And the film is already made, it's already done out there. We're just waiting for the situations to calm down again, getting back to normal. And then, yeah, I have a couple of films which have already signed. And once everything is settled down, only then, we could think about it as of now.
Great, great.
So,
That's so
yes.
nice, Kinjal. Good to know about all these things. It's really very exciting and आप अच्छे projects करते रहिए and we want to see you more and more on screen actually. So before we end the show, any message for our
Mhm.
viewers?
Yes, so all the people out there, first of all, નમસ્તે અને કેમ છો? અને હું ગુજરાતીમાં પણ થોડીક વાત કરીશ કે થેન્ક યુ સો મચ કે તમે ગુજરાતી ફિલ્મને અને ગુજરાતી સંગીતને પણ બહુ જ વ્હાલ આપ્યું છે અક્રોસ ધ ગ્લોબ. And yes, so now for all the viewers who might not know Gujarati, thank you so much for for giving so much of love that you have given us, and that you probably give to all the new upcoming artists, the new budding talent. I think please keep showering that, because like me, a lot of the artists out there also need that same kind of love. So thank you so much for that. And considering the situation right now, it's very disheartening and sad to know what's happening around the world. And all my very personal message to everybody in USA and all the people across the globe, even in India, everywhere, we all are in this together. And let's try and stay home as much as possible and just keep faith. I know it's no easy time, and it's a challenge for everybody together, but it's like, virtually holding hands of each other and just praying for the best to come for the coming time.
Of course, it
Yes.
was great talking to you, Kinjal. You are such a sweetheart, and would love to see you here in USA with us soon. You must come, and we should be together.
Yes, sure. And I promise you one thing, that so this year I was, to visit USA for the first time, and because of the situations around, I won't be able to, at least in this year. But yes, I promise you, Rashmi, it was so fabulous talking to you.
Same here.
It is, it's not only our energy and positivity that flows. It's like, the energy is always a
Both
chain
ways, of
reaction.
course,
So
yeah.
maybe all the positivities you throw, and I could, like, give back, all thanks to you. I owe
I
it up
love
to you
talking to you.
for
बहुत
this
मजा आया
fantastic
Kinjal.
interview.
Great, great.
Same here,
Thank you,
Rashmi, same
sweetheart.
here.
Take
Thank
care.
you
Bye,
so much for
Kinjal.
having.
Take care. Thanks.
Thank
मैं हूँ रश्मि बेदी। हमें उम्मीद है ये शो आपको पसंद आया होगा। लेटेस्ट वीडियो के लिए देखते रहिए माई ड्रीम टीवी यूएसए, और पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई ड्रीम टीवी यूएसए।